Okay, formatting. The way you write your code can make it easier or harder to find bugs. If you use Whitespace and Indentation, it will make it easier to read and easier to fix. So, I want you to review what Whitespace and Indentation is. So let's click here. What is Whitespace? Whitespace refers to any character that shows up as a blank space on the screen, such as a space, tab, or a new line. Okay, that's Whitespace. What is indentation? You should know this from writing essays. Indentation is the placement of text farther to the right or left to separate it from surrounding text. Think about when you write essays. Every time you start a new paragraph, you indent. This is indentation. Indentation helps to convey the program's structure. In HTML, elements that are inside other elements are usually indented. Here is an example. So, the paragraph tag is an element inside the body graph, or body tags. Okay, and do you see how that's indented? The P is indented, the paragraph tag. Okay, cool. So we remember what those two terms are now. Do this. Look at the code with your partner and discuss how you should format the code to make it easier to read. Make the code easier to read by adding new lines and indentation. Fix all the bugs so that your page matches the target page below. Okay, so they want us to do two things, it looks like. They want us to fix all the bugs in the code, but they also want us to use indentation to make the code look neater. As you can see, this code is very scrunched together, and we want to indent. Okay, so immediately I see these H1 tags after the body tags, so I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to move that to the left, and this should definitely be in paragraph tags. So let's do that as well. Let's delete all this white space and put these in paragraph tags. And where's the end? Right here, it looks like. Oh, whoops. And then same thing, we're gonna move this down. Are we okay with it being there, or do we want to indent? Let's keep it there. It looks fine there. Okay, this is a start of a list, this opening UL tag. I definitely want this on its own line so I can see where the list starts if I'm quickly glancing at the code. Okay, okay, we're missing a closing LI tag here. And there's the closing. This indentation. Okay, missing a closing tag here. I want to indent this. And then everything after is pink. So there's a big problem here. I don't know. I don't see what it is yet, but I'm just gonna keep indenting. Okay, why is that not? I'm gonna keep indenting, move that back. I don't think this. Oh yeah, it should be in a paragraph tag. Okay, so this is fine. Do we need a slash here? No. Okay, yeah, like I said, I'm going to keep indenting. So let's just figure this out. Image. Whoa, what did I just do? Hit enter. Okay, here I'm going to hit enter. here. Okay, here is a closing unordered list tag, and then a closing list tag. I don't know what this is doing. I don't know what could be in the list. Okay, this is why it will help to look at this, which I didn't do at the beginning. Yeah, I don't see why there's a closing list tag, so I'm going to delete that. Okay. Oh, you know what? I think the unordered list closing tag should be somewhere around here in the code, because after that, let's look at the example. Yeah, there's no list after that. Wood car. Yeah, the picture gallery isn't a list, so there's no reason for this unordered list tag to be down here. So let's cut that and let's paste it up here. Alright, hopefully. Okay, that didn't solve many problems. This is still pink. I'm going to pause the video and try and figure out why this is. Okay, it took me about a minute to find out what was wrong. And what's wrong is right here. There's no quotation mark at the end of this. Look at that. All the code got fixed. Awesome. Okay, so yeah, you got to be careful with that. You need to put your quotation marks in. Let's see. So this Oscar picture isn't showing up. What does that look like? That. Okay, yeah, so we want this Oscar picture to show up. What's going on here? Oh, he doesn't have a file name in here. So I guess they are referring to the Oscar Mayer car. So let's, again, I don't want to type all that in. Let's rename it to just Oscar. And then I can type in here Oscar. Okay, let's see if it worked. Yes. Perfect. Okay, and now this. What's going on here? Another Oscar image that we're having issues with. This should probably be in quotations too. You want your alt to be in quotations, so let's do that. Let's refresh and save. I don't see why. Okay, yeah. All right, so I didn't have quotations around my alt at first, and so it was showing the alt right here, even though the picture was displaying. The whole point of the alt attribute is for when the pictures don't display, then it says what is in the alt attribute. So since my picture was displaying, I recognize that that should have not been showing. So let's move on. I think that is everything. Okay, we need to fix this photo. So the grass car, and then we are done. This very long exercise. Okay, so I see pink. That means something's wrong. That the file name matches the file, so there's nothing wrong there. Okay, do you see what's wrong here? Pause your video if you want to find out. Otherwise, click in here, put an equal sign, and now the whole page should work. Yep. Nice. Let's just one last glance. Yeah, we're good. All right, let's move on. Okay, comments. You can add comments to your code to explain the different parts of the code and what it should create. Comments can help you to debug, and it will also help other people who are trying to understand your code. So comments are very helpful if you are sending a program to maybe a coworker and you want thoughts and opinions on your program, you can leave comments for them. This is very important. I have seen it when I was coding, so I think you should learn this. Do this. Look at the code with your partner and find the comments. Use the comments to help you fix the bugs in the HTML. So this coder is very generous. This coder gave us a very messed up program, but he or she was very generous and left us comments that told us how to fix this program. So this comment right here says title and page introduction. So here's the title and page introduction. This comment says list of animals and pictures. Okay, and so we have an opening ordered list tag right there, and I guess it should display a list. Okay, ordered list. Okay, right away I'm seeing, let's move this so I can explain better. He has, or she has 2 next to Stellar Sea Cow, but they don't have the 1 up here next to Baiji. So do we want the 1 to be up here or down here? If the 1 should be down here, that means this 2 should be down here. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and say that they want the number next to the name of the animal. So let's use number 2, the code for number 2, as an example. Okay. All right. So where's the code for Stellar Sea Cow? Okay, so they have the opening li tag here, right above Stellar Sea Cow. Okay, and here they put the opening li tag after the name of the animal. So let's put that there. And refresh and save. Okay, cool. The number is next to the animal name now. So we fixed that. Let's look at the next comment. Stellar Sea Cow. This image, I don't think they wanted to display this image like this. I think they probably wanted it to display like that. Well, I see pink right here, so let's figure out what that's about. There's no opening paragraph tag. I'm going to put an opening paragraph tag here. Alright, cool. That fixed the pink. But still, this Stellar Sea Cow, the image is showing up in an odd area. So let's use the code for this Baiji as an example. The image is before the paragraph. Oh, okay, I see. This isn't in a paragraph tag, this text. So that's what's causing the image to display poorly. Okay. Alright, so now when we refresh it, it should look nice and neat. Yes, it does. Okay. Alright, and now this image isn't showing, so let's figure that out. There's the comment, golden toad. And okay, so this is in pink because this is an H3 tag, whereas this is an H2 tag. Up here they did H3, so let's change this to H3. Alright, and golden Todd. So this is why it's not displaying. Golden toad. And now, oh, whoops, this doesn't look right. JPG.jpg, you only want 1. So let's refresh and save, see if it works. Alright, yep, the image is showing. Okay, we're good to go. That's the end of this lesson. So I'm going to pause this video and make another one.